In the wake of the March for Life, some Republican lawmakers are ramping up efforts to get more pro-life bills passed. They want to draw attention to both the expectant mother and her unborn baby. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales joins us now with that story. Erik.
Good evening, Tracy. Whenever we go to the doctor and for a medical procedure, by law, the physician must tell us about possible health risks, but that's not always the case for women seeking abortions. Senator Marsha Blackburn is trying to change that. She's introduced a Women's Right to Know Act, a bill that requires doctors to explain all medical risks associated with abortions.
She needs to be informed about the gestational age of that baby so that they know what features the baby would have, if that baby would be feeling any kind of pain.
Senator Bill Cassidy, a medical doctor, agrees and tells me abortion risk information is critical.
That same sort of form should be done for every procedure, including abortion pills. These are the complications if you don't take it appropriately, but even if you do, sometimes you get these types of complications. We do that for everything else. We should do it for these procedures too.
Democrats charge the bill is meant to frighten women and undermine their reproductive freedom.
The extreme MAGA Republicans are once again pushing their anti-abortion, anti-freedom, anti-woman agenda.
We are committed right here to being a firewall in the Senate against the House Republicans' extreme attacks on abortions. We refuse to accept a future where our daughters and granddaughters have fewer rights than we did.
But Senate Minority Whip John Thune says it's Democrats who are causing the most harm.
At some level, I think everyone knows the truth of what abortion is: the killing of an innocent human being. The pro-abortion movement and the Democrat Party, unfortunately one and the same these days, have tried to obscure this truth.
Congressional Pro-Life Caucus co-chair Congressman Chris Smith tells me Democrats don't want to talk about health risks to mothers and unborn babies.
They never want to talk about what they do. They dismember babies. They behead babies. Off comes the head during the abortion, surgical abortion, and then they kill them with chemicals that cause starvation.
As we know, Congress is currently in the process of working on a budget for this year. A group of House Republicans wrote budget negotiators demanding that taxpayer funds not to be used to fund abortions. That's a policy that's been in place for nearly 40 years, but Democrats continue to tell me that any poison pills like pro-life provisions are non-starters. At the Capitol, Erik Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.